Like our topic today, structure build foundation. A strong foundation will make an effective speech. So Toastmaster Mala, without further ado, the virtual stage is yours.
I believe I don't have to ask all of you because you have shared how's your first speech. I think you will share that also to your guide in the breakout room later. Do you have lots of idea or you have lack of idea before to share about you? It's not about other people, but it's about you. You have lots of things to share. And then maybe you are wondering, is my speech good or whatever it is? Then let's evaluate our own speech by having this. So, but before that, I'm going to, I ask you to fill in the survey about this. Why? Because I need to get your points of what defines a good speech. Let me share screen. Okay. So this one is the, even though only 7, thank you for those. Okay, not this one. Okay, first, what defines a good speech? And this one, thank you for all. It's speech from Martin Luther. Also, there was speech from Pak Arlan, last week's speech, because the systematic, easy to understand. And from, I think you can read it by yourself, but what I can conclude from your answers, that they are systematic, easy to understand. The good speech is systematic, easy to understand, relate to the audience, because most of you also said that relate to my hobby, relate to my, teach me how to feel and personal story, and then also clear structure with strong points. So this one is very important because this comes from you. So if you know, if you have heard about one excellent or memorable speech, then you know you want to be like that. Your audience want to take away something that is good. So, and then the next one is actually, I just try to make it like a fun topic because this is already late at night. Yeah, it's our rest time. I don't want you to think too hard only to find. This one is actually a topic for how to find. After we find the topic, then we need to develop it into a good organization of speech. So I ask you, so this one is, each of you were asked to tell 3 suggestions. You should say 3, whether you like it. If you have more, then you only have say 3 suggestions. So these are how to find Mr. Right or Mrs. Right. Before in the icebreaker, I heard about someone still single or married, and I think this suggestion come from them. So this is good. And later we will use this to at least practice how to make a well-organized speech. Thank you for that. And also let's go to the first, which is, okay. So if you heard about if you listen to a good speech or well-organized speech, of course, from all you said, it's easier to understand. And also it's easier to remember. You will remember the main points, even though you didn't write it, or you want to write it because you want to remember them. And more credible, and you will enjoy it. It's like not killing the time of listening someone's speech, but you really take good points from the well-organized speeches. Okay, now this is, I think you had dinner already. If not, I'm sorry, because this may be very tempting. If you see these 2 pictures, burger and spiku, I think it's very famous in Surabaya, right? So do you think they have similarities? Can you please write on the chat if you think they have similarities? Okay, what are the similarities? 3 layers. Okay, Burona and also Melita said yes. Okay, thank you, Burona. You got same points as me. Both of them has 3 layers. But why I don't think spiku is good representing a well-organized speech. Even though I like Spiku, if you see this one, I don't know, this is my personal taste. If I need to eat burger, I will eat the whole bun with the inside, with the meat, with the lettuce, with all the tomatoes. I will not separate them one by one. It's not burger then, right? But if I eat Spiku, honestly, I don't eat all the layers. I eat only the yellow parts. I don't really like the chocolate part. So I think it's okay for me to eat Spiku without the chocolate because I don't like it. So if you think this one is like a speech, a good speech should have the opening, body, and conclusion. And you cannot separate each of them. You just have the opening or you just have the body, but you don't have the conclusion. That's the audience will not get the main message. I think this is already also explained by Toastmaster Titin before in the first educational session. But this one if you want to get your audience get the main points of the whole speech, then you have to prepare these three. Here, for the opening, you can start with many things to trigger the audience. Because remember, before the well-organized speech and from the survey, it should be related to the audience. Yeah. So we try to try to open the audience heart or audience feeling or audience whatever to make them want to listen to our speech. So first, if you see the first part on the left, it will be about the picture of 3 or 4 objects. Yeah, we don't know about that, whether it's 3 or 4, but it will be intriguing for the audience. What kind of picture is it? And it makes them want to listen to your speech. It's a good start. Or if you see this is Martin Luther King Jr. Quotation, you can also start with a quote because it's easy and it's usually something, a good insight or good value in very simple sentence. And you can also ask questions. For example, I ask you with the question is, can you please give suggestion for me or for the other people how to find Mr. Right or Mrs. Right? So that one you can ask questions and then they will try to think. They will try to answer maybe silently in their heart, but still this will be a good opening. There are so many things, but these three usually is the simpler and then also the easiest to open. Next, after the opening, we can go to the body. So for this body, there is a rule of 3. Have you ever heard about that? So 3 points. It is very important. Why 3 points? Why can't we add with 4, 5, 6, and etc.? Why? Because this one is easier for the audience. Remember, you're not only telling all things to the audience, whatever you want to inform them. As we know, the speech purpose can be to inform, and we want the audience really want to be informed with lots of information, but that's not the right way. Why? Because the audience also has limited time. All of you here also has limited time, limited focus to understand all points. So please make sure that you can focus on 3 points because that is easier and easy to digest for the audience. And make sure that you can structure your body as simple as possible. The simpler it is, it will be easier for. And then because this is body, and as you see the picture of the burger, it has supporting materials, right? We need to tell each main point with the supporting materials. For example, you can tell about the stories. You can give examples. You can give the statistic, facts, or visual aids. Why this one is good for the audience to really understand about the message of your points. So if you see this one, this is the body. This one, I got your main points from the survey. If the speech title is too hard to find Mr. Right or Mrs. Right, I got 5 points. Then you don't have to tell all of them. You can sort, maybe only 3. Just take 3. Yeah. Since we have very limited time, we cannot practice really. But at least from these points, you can explain, organize this into a good 1 point. So you will have 3 points, which will convince your audience to, or to inspire them to find the Mr. Right or Mrs. Right. After that, you need to conclude your speech. You don't only leave the audience with the body, but you need to conclude with emphasize your message and also call to action. If it is about how to find, then you need to, they will be eager to do action. And then don't forget that you need to leave listeners with a lasting impressions. So please, this is also important because they need to know the main points. And then if you can see this one is the easy. I think this is, you have learned about this starting from opening, body, and conclusion. So from the main point, you need to support the main points, become to sub points and conclusions. I think this one is easy for you to follow for your next speech. And then last but not least, it takes 1 hour of preparation for each minute of presentation time. So it's really important for you to prepare and also to draft your speech, to write your speech, because by doing that, you can organize your speech well. I think that's all. Back to Amelia as our Tom. Thank you.